This is the feeling of happiness. What is up then, guys? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel and a happy new year. So today we're doing something a little bit different. I'm happy to get out of the garage, but behind me you might see something a little bit special, and I'll tell you what it's special in a minute. This is Phil. Got it right this time, didn't I? Paul! Is it Paul? I always do this. I did it wrong when I give him a shout out as well. This is Paul, and this is his Ford Fiesta. Is it an ST?
It's originally a 1.25. Went to a 1.6 conversion, then to the 2 litre. So that's ST conversion. Yeah.
So that's pretty much similar to what I do. So if you didn't hear, it's from a 1.25 to the 1.6 and straight to a 2 litre. Did you go 2 litre and then turbo, or did you do turbo ST straight in?
2 litre, olive cams, had it mapped, got 197 brake out of it, and then obviously wanted to look for more power. So then went turbo, forced induction route.
And the reason why he's such a legend to me at the moment is because I thought I had this turbo build pretty much all mapped out. I thought I knew what I was doing, and then he keeps telling me things that I'm like, I need to buy. Like, who would ever thought about a Lambda sensor spacer? So massive shout out to him. But yeah, this is his beautiful Ford Fiesta. I'm just gonna call it an ST turbo, right? But yeah. So we've got the camera set up in there. Take for a bit of a drive. I was gonna say, can I have a drive in it? But I don't actually think I'm insured. I think I'm third party, which I don't. I'll have to find out just to double check. It's not really worth it at the moment, especially with the police down because of this lockdown crap. But yeah, intercooler there, AirTech. So yeah, we'll go through the specifics when we're driving, but let's have a brief look. Beautiful. It's like nice and clean as well. Let's see a style down there. Yeah, I think that's enough talking. Let's get in the car, let's take for a rip, let's go. I'm on the right driver, but when it comes to being a passenger, I'm a bit of a tit. So do what you want.
Yep.
I'll probably cry, but let's go for it.
Get the internals forged, or
yeah,
it's running just under 300 brake at the minute.
You nearly broke my neck then, man. Go straight over it. Shit, me, mate. I'm gonna have to get the microphone under the bonnet a bit, man, because I'm gonna have to hear that score. You guys probably can't hear that, but it's like.
Get it forged, run more boost, get it over 300 brake.
What's your goal, do you reckon?
Probably about 350.
350?
Something like that, yeah. Probably have to swap the turbo then to CDL5 or something like that.
Yeah.
Obviously run out of puff after a bit.
Are they the biggest nut next size up?
Yeah. gearbox in it and blue second gear.
So is it IB5 or
IB5 plus the ST box.
Unless you cancel the boost.
Couldn't handle the power. I did end up stripping it and rebuilding it, but obviously then the guys from RTS Performance who do the clutches reached out to them because they did the 6-pedal clutch originally for it. Basically they said we can do you a conversion to run the MTX75 box, so I had a flywheel and pedal clutch off them. Pedal feels like a standard pedal.
Because what you're saying, is it ceramic or is it organic?
Yeah, it's sintered ceramic, yeah.
Quite with ceramic clutches, they're like a lot more aggressive than those. You said this is like pretty much feels stock.
Feels normal, yeah.
Go all the way around, yeah.
I did map by Jam Sport. It's running 297 brake at the minute.
297?
Yeah.
So I'm going to click back that and put that in the thumbnail as 300 brake horsepower. Just round it up straight over again.
Internal wastegate, just running a standard wastegate with a Mamba wastegate, running a 14 psi spring. 14 psi bar boost, which was sort of the most you could do without forging it. They recommend maximum power around about 300 for standard internals. And then obviously once you forge it, you can pretty much go anything as far as you can go, really.
So in terms of like exhaust, is it just stock exhaust or is it turbo back?
Basically, I had a guy make similar to the Subarus where it runs a bell mouth off the turbo.
Yeah.
Obviously because a lot of the exhausts that are out there pretty much block off the wastegate, so then you get a lot of turbulence off the turbo.
Yeah.
So I had the valve mouth set up like the Subaru, and then basically had the rest of the exhaust made by MIJ up in Warsaw. They did a custom 2.5 inch straight to the back.
So is it muffler or is it just straight?
Muffler, yeah.
No resonators, no decant?
No.
So everything you guys are going to be currently hearing is actually under the engine bay. We've got a microphone running all the way to the turbo. Hopefully we don't set my microphone on fire. But yeah, I'll just say this should do this turbo some justice because it sounds fucking beautiful. This is the feeling of happiness. What's the fastest you've had out of this?
Probably about 130, 140.
My arse is twitching, I'm not gonna lie. It feels so planted though. It feels like really planted, like I feel like running on like what's called rain sport tyres, no spacers, just like standing on 7.5, 7J wheels. It is pretty planted, isn't it? Alright then guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to try and do something different every now and then just to hopefully spice the channel up a bit. But massive shout out to you for bringing your car down. That's for you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.